Hello advertisers! As you've probably seen in the title, you want to know how to make money with Facebook ads. It's very easy, man. Very easy. Just make good Facebook ads. Alright, see you in the next one. Okay, now seriously, you honestly believe that you will find answer to a very complicated topic and skill like Facebook ads in a single video on YouTube? It's like searching for how to be a good developer or how to make money, and the answer will be in the developer. Example, make good programs or be good at coding, and how to make money online, just find something to sell for money and voila, it's the solution. You can't really expect an answer for this. It's super generic. The reason Facebook ads succeed in certain businesses or brands is because they are extremely tailored to the brand's needs. It's the only way. You can't possibly find the solution in a generic way. There are some blueprints and some common advices you can follow in order to get your ads be better. But in general, your ads must be tailored 100% to your brand's or client's needs. How can I share some piece of knowledge that will help you improve your ads? As I told you in the previous video I made about the 5 pillars of Facebook ads, I will try now to give you another piece of advice. One advice when it comes to Facebook ads is don't be clickbaity like my video I'm doing right now. It's clickbait because in the headline it says how to make money with Facebook ads. You need to be genuine. You need to actually solve people's problem or offer them a solution to a specific need. Another piece of advice is understand the platform, understand how the pixel works, how the platform works, the business manager, what do certain things do. I want you, by the way, to make you understand Facebook ads. I want you to learn from me, learn from my mistakes, learn from my successes, understand better the algorithm, write better copies, advanced techniques that have worked for me, some techniques that haven't worked for me. But in true reality, it's all about understanding the mindset behind the Facebook ads. It's not a copy-paste formula. This is the difficult part. This is the part where everyone is wrong. It's not something you just copy-paste and you find success. It's understanding the mindset and the psychology behind advertisements, especially on Facebook or Instagram. It's the same thing. My mission is to make you a better advertiser. I want you to learn efficiently from me, because when I started learning Facebook ads, I was so lost. You know, I learned the basics from a couple of videos or a couple of courses I bought, but the harsh reality is that the most experience I got was from my experience, from actually doing stuff and not just watching video. Another thing is that after some point I had to watch countless hours of content just to get 10 minutes of knowledge I wanted. So super short video, guys. It's all about, I want you to understand that when you want to learn a skill, when you want to learn something like Facebook ads, because Facebook ads is a tool that make other people or you money. It's all about the concept behind it. It's all about the mindset and not a simple copy-paste form. This is what I want you to understand. And this is what I will help you. Live examples, live ad accounts, some theory and everything. See you.